Today we talk about how can you select pronouns on your Hang app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on photo profile down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on this sign. When you just click on it, automatically it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, so you just keep going down here. So then you come here to pronouns, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this, and here can you select here pronouns in this list on your hang up. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.